Good morning, everyone. Let me ask you something. How do you feel when you wake up? Excited for a new day? Or a little sleepy and lost?
I think most people feel both. A little sleepy, but also hoping the day will be good.
Exactly. And that's why we're here, to bring you a calm, simple way to start your day in English. Because learning English can be more than grammar or rules. It can be your morning motivation.
Yes, in this video, we'll talk about small habits, happy thoughts, and we'll hear a short story about our friend Kate, who always begins her day with purpose and peace.
So grab your coffee or tea and let's learn together, slowly and naturally.
Don't forget to subscribe and stay with us till the end. We have a fun quiz waiting for you.
You know, mornings can really change your whole day. If my morning goes well, everything feels easier.
True. That's why I always try to make my mornings peaceful. I wake up, open the window, and just breathe for a minute.
That sounds lovely. My mornings are a bit louder. I need coffee first. Without it, my brain says, "No English today."
I can imagine that. But I also like music in the morning. Calm, happy music. It makes me feel ready to smile.
Ah, yes. I usually play something energetic, maybe pop or jazz. It's like my morning alarm and motivation in one.
Do you ever do any exercise?
Sometimes. I stretch for a few minutes or take a short walk. It helps me wake up my body and my mind.
That's a great idea. A few minutes of movement, a deep breath, and a smile. That's already a good start for anyone learning English, too.
Exactly. When your body feels awake, your brain learns faster. So, everyone watching, what's your morning habit?
Think about it while listening to Kate's story next. You might get some new ideas for your own morning. And now, let's listen to Kate. She'll share her morning routine and what helps her feel calm, focused, and motivated every single day.
Hi, I'm Kate. Every morning, I try to begin my day with peace, not pressure. I wake up around 6:30. Before I do anything, I smile. It's my small reminder that I'm lucky to see another sunrise. Then I open the curtains and let the light touch my face. I take a slow, deep breath and say to myself, "Today is a fresh start." That short sentence changes everything. It helps me let go of yesterday and focus on today. After that, I make a warm cup of green tea. While the water boils, I listen to soft music, sometimes piano, sometimes the sound of rain. It makes me feel calm and creative. Then I sit by the window with my notebook. I write down 3 simple things: something I'm grateful for, something I want to focus on, and one small thing that makes me smile. Some days, it's my family. Other days, it's the smell of my tea or a kind message from a friend. It doesn't matter how small, it just has to be real. After writing, I stretch for about 10 minutes. It's not a workout, just gentle movement with slow breathing. It wakes up my body and clears my mind. By the time I start work, I already feel light and ready. That's my secret. Start simple, stay positive, and move forward slowly. Because a peaceful morning doesn't just make you feel good, it gives you the power to make the whole day better. Thank you for listening to my story. See you next time.
Kate's story was so peaceful, wasn't it? Simple habits, but full of meaning.
Yes, and I love how she starts her day with just one thought. Today is a fresh start. That's actually our first motivational phrase.
Phrase 1. Today is a fresh start. It means you don't have to carry yesterday's stress. Every morning gives you a new chance. Repeat after me. Today is a fresh start. Perfect! Say it every morning, and you'll feel your energy change.
Phrase 2. Small steps make a big difference. Kate doesn't do anything huge, just tea, music, writing, but those small things give her strength. Repeat after me, please. Small steps make a big difference. Yes, even smiling or stretching for 1 minute can change your day.
Phrase 3. Peace first, power later. I love this idea. When you begin with calm, you find your power naturally. Now you repeat. Peace first, power later.
That's my new life motto.
Phrase 4. I'm ready for good things. This one is about having a positive mindset. Say it with hope and mean it. Repeat after me, please. I'm ready for good things.
Exactly. When you expect good things, you start to notice them everywhere.
Phrase 5. My morning creates my day. Kate's story shows that clearly. How she spends her morning shapes everything after. Repeat after me, please. My morning creates my day.
Yes, that's not just motivation, that's a fact.
So, let's remember these 5 phrases. 1. Today is a fresh start. Now you repeat. 2. Small steps make a big difference. Repeat, please. 3. Peace first, power later. Now you repeat. 4. I'm ready for good things. Repeat, please. And 5. My morning creates my day. Now you repeat.
Try saying one of them every morning. Don't just repeat the words, feel them.
Because that's what morning motivation English is all about. Simple conversations, small changes, and big energy for your day. All right, everyone, time for a quick and happy quiz. Let's see how well you remember Kate's story and our morning phrases.
Okay, question number 1. What's the first thing Kate does after waking up?
Yes, she smiles and she says, today is a fresh start.
Good job. Here's question 2. What drink does Kate make every morning?
That's right, a cup of green tea.
Question 3. What does Kate write in her notebook?
3 things: something she's grateful for, something she wants to focus on, and one small thing that makes her smile.
Beautiful answers. You're doing great. Now, question 4. What kind of exercise does Kate do?
Yes, gentle stretching. Just 10 minutes to wake up her body and mind.
And our final question. Can you remember one of the motivational phrases we learned today?
Maybe small steps make a big difference. Or my morning creates my day. Excellent!
Every word you speak with intention makes your English stronger and your mornings brighter.
So, start tomorrow with one positive thought and one simple English sentence.
If you enjoyed this calm and happy practice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more Morning Motivation English from Olivia English Lab.